Blabina.
Hi, I am Blabina and I am making turtle pancakes. What are the turtle pancakes? Let's see. Look at this turtle. It's so big. Did you know that some turtles are as big as small car? That is really, really big. Oh, look. They don't have any teeth. How do they eat pancakes? They don't eat pancakes, but we do. Let's make some.
To make pancakes, we need flour, sugar, baking powder, egg, and milk. Turtle. Turtle.
Did you see? The turtle had a shell, and the shell had a bottom and top. So this is our turtle bottom. We cover it with honey. Then we use fruit. Any fruit you want, but I'm using
strawberries, blueberries, raspberries.
We use another pancake to put on top. And this is our top shell. So now, what are we missing? I think we are missing some legs. Did you see? Turtles have 4 legs. Yeah! It's looking like a turtle. Can add some chocolate on top. And if you are as silly as I am, what you can do is take some raisins and put them down here like this. Do you know what it looks like? It looks like a poo. It looks like turtle's poo. Now it's your turn to make turtle pancakes. Don't forget, you are smart, you are amazing, and you can do anything. See you next time. Blah blah blabina, blah blah blabina, blah 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 blah.
Blabina. Dear grown-ups, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. You can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I would love to hear from you. Bye!